When you're deciding between ConvertKit, also called Kit, and Beehive for your creator newsletter, it's all about how you want to grow, engage, and monetize your audience. Both are really powerful platforms, but they shine in very different ways. First, let's talk about ConvertKit. ConvertKit is kind of like the classic choice for creators who treat their newsletter as a business. It offers super strong automation tools. You can build complex email sequences, tag subscribers, and trigger automations based on actions. This is ideal if you're running sales funnels, launching courses, or using your newsletter to nurture leads. Another big strength is integrations. ConvertKit connects directly with tons of tools: WordPress, Shopify, Teachable, and more. These integrations make it easier to sell digital products or run membership programs right from your email list. On the analytics side, ConvertKit gives you engagement insights, campaign reports, and subscriber scoring. It helps you understand who is most active or likely to convert. Now, let's dive into Beehive. Beehive was built specifically with newsletter creators in mind. It offers a very creator-friendly growth toolkit. For starters, their launch plan is free for up to 2,500 subscribers. That means you can send unlimited emails without paying during the early growth stage. One of Beehive's standout features is its built-in referral program and recommendation network. You can reward your readers for referring others. There's also a boost system where you can pay to promote your newsletter inside others and only pay per subscriber gained. When it comes to monetization, Beehive is very creator-friendly. You keep 100% of your paid subscription revenue, no cut from the platform. There's also a built-in ad network, so you can make money through ads directly. In terms of usability, many creators say Beehive's interface is modern, clean, and very intuitive. A longtime user shared on Reddit how the referral tools and flat-rate pricing help them scale without worrying about losing a cut of their earnings. In short, ConvertKit is your marketing machine, while Beehive is your growth and monetization engine. Either way, you're picking a creator-first platform, and that's a win.